大家好，我叫 Nancy， 我来自中国深圳，中文是我的母语。Are you struggling with the correct pronunciation of Chinese, especially the four tones Do you want to know how to quickly master Chinese grammar effortlessly? And are you eager to learn the secrets of using 把 sentences and 被 sentences correctly in daily communication? I have been teaching Chinese as a foreign language for 2 years, with a particular focus on oral Chinese and children's Chinese education. For young learners, I always design classes based on their interests. Whether they love animals, cartoons, or games, I integrate these elements into lessons to make learning engaging. I also add fun Chinese games like character matching, picture word guessing, and role-playing so kids can pick up Chinese naturally while playing and laughing. Whether you are a complete beginner taking your first step in Chinese learning, an intermediate learner looking to improve, or a parent seeking a lively and effective Chinese class for your child, my class is the perfect place for you. I'm dedicated to making Chinese learning fun, practical, and easy to follow. Welcome to join me. 快来和我一起学汉语吧。